First responder garage here. So when doing these hub bearings, you have to be aware of where the ABS sensor is and the tone ring. Now bearings nowadays, they have the toe ring in the outside here, okay? So be careful when you press these in. Remember, this is the magnetic pickup. This is your tone ring inside here, okay? It's magnetic. And the sensor slides right next to it. So when you press these in, they can go in either way. Okay, but if you press it in wrong, you're going to have an ABS light, and you're going to have an ABS problem. So the way you press these in, this side goes to wherever the tone ring pickup is, all right, the sensor. So in this one, this is a 2014 C-Max Ford hybrid, and here's the spindle. See the location of the sensor? The bearing's pressed in 2 inches. So this tone ring right here, okay, it is magnetic, has to be pressed in like so, because when you finally press this in, it's going to pick up that magnetic tone ring right there on the bearing. Okay, so this, instead of the letters, what we're taught is the letters face outwards, because bearings are made thicker on this part so you can press them in. Well, now you have to press it in like this, and now you got to be careful, because if you don't press this in correctly, and it'll take every bit about 15-18 tons, because it's a very tight fit. Remember, these hybrid cars are heavy. This one in particular weighs about 4,400 pounds. So you got to be careful. You just can't run these in and call it good. You got to be really careful on how you set these. So at any rate, just so you know, I blasted apart one of these bearings, or the race here. See that ring right there? That's your tone ring. Okay, it is magnetic, and it's on the race. So hope that helps someone. You just can't put bearings in like before. Make sure they're pressed in right. Alright, till next time, first responder.